Welcome to my Dynamic Block Parameters and Actions course. Here I'm going to take you through the majority of the parameters and actions that you will need to create interesting and useful dynamic blocks. I also have an additional course that covers constraints for dimensions and geometry. It's important to learn one and then the other and learn their strengths and weaknesses before you mix the two together. I don't spend lots of time on telling you about settings and explaining things that I know that you already know. My course is based on projects and blocks that are fun and easy to interact with, so you can understand how each parameter and each action works together, and then you can take that learning and apply it to your own use cases. In addition to the lessons that are available online for free, I also have a number of in-depth practice exercise, written instructions, and starter files and example files that are available to download. Please check the description. And hopefully by the end of this, we all love parameters and actions and parametric design as well. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.